Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make Ukrainian Christmas pastry. Different regions of Ukraine have their own baking tradition. I want to show you the Christmas pastries that my grandmother used to make. I'm going to make one dough from which I will make 4 pastries: Christmas bread, sweet Christmas wreath, sweet buns and dinner buns. So let's start. We need 1 cup of warm milk, 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 3 tablespoons of instant dry yeast. Stir well and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then add 1 egg white, half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir all ingredients together. Add 2 pounds of all-purpose flour, add 1/4 cup of oil and knead the dough until smooth. Add some oil to a bowl, cover and let the dough rest for about 1 hour in warm place until doubled in size. It's been 1 hour. Divide the dough into 4 pieces. First, I'm going to make bread. Form the first piece of dough into a ball and transfer to a baking dish. make buns with cherries. I use frozen cherries, you can use any berry or fruit. We also need 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla sugar, half teaspoon of cinnamon and half teaspoon of cornstarch. Divide the second piece of dough into 5 pieces. Roll out each piece. Put sugar mixture and cherry in the center. Pinch the edges of each bun and form into a ball. Roll out the filled piece of dough into a rectangle. Add 2 tablespoons of jam. I use pear jam, you can use any kind of jam you like. Pin the ends together and form a wreath. Transfer to a baking dish. Brush with egg yolk and sprinkle with the remaining sugar mixture. Let rest for about 20 minutes. Then bake in preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. From the leftover piece of dough, I will make cabbage dinner buns. You can use any filling, potatoes, cheese, meat, or any vegetables of your choice. So, divide the piece of dough into 5 pieces, roll out each piece of dough. Place the filling in the center, pin the ends and form into a ball. Brush with egg yolk and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Then the bread and dinner buns bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. My pastries are ready. Let them cool completely. But cabbage buns can be served warm or cold. So now I will show you how this pastry looks inside. It's simple, delicious and full of flavor. Either way, these pastries will be a welcome addition to the holiday table. I hope you like this recipe, thank you for watching and Merry Christmas!